Assalamu alaikum class 6. I hope you are doing great class. So today is 29th of April 2021 and the day is Thursday. Okay? So class, yesterday we studied about order of operations. Isn't class? So who will tell me this? We have discussed the rules of order of operations when we have combined operations on numbers. So how would we solve this? Yes, Bilal, you tell me. Very good. According to first rule, we just solve the bracket. Okay? We will solve bracket, the expression which is inside the bracket. According to second rule, what would we do? Yes, Sameha Shahid, you tell me. What would we do in second according to rule number 2? When we have combined operations on numbers. Very good. We will use bracket करेंगे second. According to second rule, we will evaluate powers or roots. Okay? If there is any root or powers inside the bracket, we will solve first this. Fine? According to number 3 rule, what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे? Very good. We will solve multiplication and division. Multiplication okay. Now in the end we have rule number 4. Yes, Maham, you tell me what would we do? Very good. We will solve addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Fine? So these are the rules that we have discussed yesterday. Okay. Now I am going to solve its related question. In today's lesson, we will solve how we can solve combined operations on numbers. Okay? जिसमें powers भी involve होती हैं, roots भी involve होते हैं. So हम उसको किस तरह solve करते हैं ये आज हम discuss करेंगे. Okay? Just listen to me very carefully. I have exercise number 2C. Page number 43. Question number 7. Find each of the following. Fine. Part B. We have discussed part 8 yesterday. Now I am starting from part B. Minus 12 minus square bracket minus small bracket which is minus 8 bracket close minus then again we have a small bracket which is then square bracket close, then there is a sign of plus and then 3. Okay? We have a question in which minus 12 minus plus 3. Fine class? Okay. So according to order of operations, we will solve this portion first because this is the bracket. Minus 12 as it is, minus as it is, then square bracket as it is. Now we will open this brackets because we have to solve bracket inside the bracket first. अब यहाँ पे brackets के अंदर भी brackets हैं तो हम उसको पहले solve करेंगे. So minus 8 as it is. Okay. If you look minus which is outside the bracket and there is also negative with inside the bracket. So what is the sign in between of two signs? Very good. There is multiplication sign. So which indicates multiplication involving negative numbers. But if you look class, we have discussed the rule when we have two like signs. अब यहाँ पे two like signs कौन से हैं? दोनों negative के हैं. So हमने क्या ये rule पढ़ा था? If we have two like signs, we have positive in the end. Okay, either the both are in negative or both are in positive. Answer क्या होगा? Positive. Fine. So minus minus plus. Minus minus according to sign table we have plus. Plus 2 as it is. Square bracket close, plus 3 as it is. Fine. Minus 12 as it is. This minus sign as it is. Okay. Now in this step we will solve minus 8 plus 2. Two unlike signs are involved class. So what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे? Very good. Minus plus minus. Addition involving negative numbers. ऐसे ही है. तो अब क्या करेंगे? हमने ये रूल पढ़ा था. If we have two unlike signs, we will subtract the numbers. We will subtract the numbers. हम signs को पहले avoid करेंगे and just focus to subtract the numbers. 8 minus 2 is 6. Isn't? Okay. 6 आ गया. But अब हमने assign भी तो करना है sign. So what we will assign the sign to this 6. करेंगे क्या assign हम? Very good. We will look the greater number. अब जो greater number के साथ sign होगा उसको हम क्या करेंगे? Assign करेंगे with 6. We will assign the sign with 6, which is minus. ये rule पढ़ा था? Very good. Now plus 3 as it is. In next step we have minus 12. Okay. Again we have minus minus. Minus, then bracket, then minus. So what would we do? We just simply multiply. Multiplication involve हो रही है. तो क्या करेंगे हम? Minus minus क्या होता है क्लास? Plus. Minus minus plus. Plus 6 plus 3 as it is. Fine. Now we will solve this portion first, which is minus 12 plus 6. So minus 12 plus 6. We have two unlike signs. Two unlike signs in class. Yes. If we have two unlike signs, so we will write in the end negative. We will write in the end negative. अब हमने नंबर्स को क्या करना है? जस्ट हम लोगों ने सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है because this is the rule that we have studied. If we have two unlike signs, so we just subtract the numbers. We will just subtract the numbers. So हम जब 12 और 6 को subtract करते हैं, we have 6 in the end. Okay. Next क्या होगा? Sign assign करना है. So what is the sign with 6? What is the negative. With 12 we have negative sign. So we will write minus 6. Fine. Plus 3 as it is. Plus 3 as it is. Fine. Minus 6 क्यों आया यहाँ पे? Because according to rule we have discussed, if we have two unlike signs, we will just write subtract the numbers. So according to this portion we have 6 in the end after subtraction. Very good. And minus क्यों हम लोगों ने जो है असाइन किया इसके साथ? Because we will assign the sign which is based on the greater number. जो ग्रेटर नंबर के साथ साइन होगा हम वो क्या करेंगे, उसके साथ असाइन कर देंगे. सो minus 6 plus 3. So minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Fine. Minus plus minus 2 unlike signs involve हो रहे. So क्या होगा? माइनस होगा. ओके. सो जब हमने 6 में से 3 को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, we have 3 in the end. We will write 3. Okay, we will write 3 and what is this sign? Second हमने क्या स्टेप पढ़ा हुआ था कि we will assign the sign with the number which is in the end on the basis of greater number. So यहाँ पे इन दोनों में से greater कौन सा है? 6. So what is the sign with 6 class? Minus. Fine. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Now I am going to repeat part number B. Just listen to me very carefully. I have question in which 12 minus bracket minus 8 minus small bracket so in first step I will write minus 12 as it is, then minus sign as it is. अब हमने ऑर्डर ऑफ ऑपरेशन के रूल्स पढ़े थे क्लास. सो उसमें वेरी फर्स्ट क्या रूल था कि वी विल सॉल्व ब्रैकेट पोर्शन फर्स्ट, इजंट? सो ब्रैकेट में हमारे पास क्या है? -8 देन +2. सो इफ यू लुक वी हैव अनलाइक साइंस. सो वेरी फर्स्ट वी विल सॉल्व दिस विच इज -6. हमने पढ़ा था ये रूल कि इफ वी हैव टू अनलाइक साइंस we just simply subtract the numbers. हमने जब इसको subtract किया so we have to write 6 in the end. और साइन किसकी बेस पे असाइन करेंगे? ग्रेटर वैल्यू पर. ओके, किस पे असाइन करेंगे? ग्रेटर वैल्यू पे. सो इन the end we have -6. Fine. In next step we will write -12 plus 6 plus 3. So according to this -12 plus 6 -12 plus 6. So क्या होता है -12 plus 6? -6. Okay, minus plus minus, minus plus minus. So we will write -6. माइनस हमने किया, नंबर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, बट हम माइनस क्यों लगा रहे हैं? किसकी बेस पे लगा रहे हैं? ग्रेटर वैल्यू की बेस पर. तो इन दोनों में से ग्रेटर कौन सी है? 12. एंड व्हाट इज द साइन विद 12 प्लस 6? सो दैट्स व्हाई वी विल राइट -6. फाइन. एंड +3 as it is. In the end we will subtract the numbers because there is a rule used which is subtraction involving negative numbers. नंबर्स को हम क्या करेंगे? सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे और नंबर के साथ जो साइन असाइन करेंगे वो किसकी बेस पे? ग्रेटर वैल्यू की बेस पे. ठीक है. Now C, part number C in which -100 plus -45 -100 plus -45 minus 5 plus 20. I have minus 100 plus small bracket minus 45 plus small bracket minus 5 plus 20. Fine. So according to order of operation, I will solve this first, which is in bracket. minus 100 as it is. अब यहाँ पे कौन सा रूल यूज हो रहा है? मल्टीप्लीकेशन का. So as I told you, plus minus signs of table. साइन टेबल में क्या हमने पढ़ा था? प्लस माइनस माइनस. So we will write minus 45. ब्रैकेट ओपन हो जाएगी. Then we will move forward, which is plus minus. अब इन दोनों को सॉल्व करेंगे. So we have minus 5. We have minus 5. Fine. Then plus 20. Then plus 20. Okay. In next step, we have minus 100, minus 45, minus 5 and plus 20. So minus 100 and minus 45 का पेयर बना लें आप लोग और minus 5 plus 20 का बना लें. क्यों बना लें? Because there are 4 numbers in total. ठीक है? So 4 numbers को easily हम solve कर सकते हैं by making pairs. Okay, so first pair is minus 100 minus 45 and the second is minus 5 plus 20. So जब हम minus 100 और minus 45 को देखते हैं, what thing in our mind? What thing comes in our mind, class? Yes, Vania, you tell me. Very good. Both numbers having like signs. Okay? दोनों जो numbers हैं उनके साथ कौन सा sign है? Negative. So it's mean end पे कौन सा number होगा? हम इसमें करेंगे क्या? We will just simply plus. Okay? Minus minus plus. हम numbers को क्या करेंगे? Add करेंगे. So 100 में जब हमने 45 को add किया, we have 145. Okay. बट साइन जो हमने साइन करना है वो किसकी बेस पे करना है? ग्रेटर वैल्यू की बेस पर. अब यहाँ पे ग्रेटर वैल्यू कौन सी है इन बिटवीन minus 100 एंड minus 45? 100. तो 100 के साथ साइन कौन सा है? नेगेटिव. सो वी विल राइट नेगेटिव. फाइन. नाउ द अदर pair which is minus 5 plus 20. minus 5 plus 20. So what would we do, class? माइनस प्लस माइनस. अगेन अनलाइक साइंस है. सो अनलाइक साइंस जब भी होते हैं हम नंबर्स को क्या करते हैं? सब्ट्रैक्ट. वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द नंबर्स. सो आंसर इज आंसर इज 15. बट साइन कौन सा साइन करेंगे? ग्रेटर वैल्यू के साथ जो होगा. सो प्लस 5. फाइन. Okay, this is the expression which is minus 145 plus 5. In the end, we have minus 145 plus 5. In next step, class, we have two unlike signs. So it's mean हम क्या करेंगे? Subtraction. 5 minus 5 0. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 1 as it is. So 130 we have in the end. टू अनलाइक साइंस थे तो हमने नंबर्स को क्या किया? सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. बट साइन किसकी बेस पे असाइन करेंगे? किसकी बेस पे असाइन करेंगे साइन, क्लास? ग्रेटर वैल्यू की बेस पर. सो व्हाट इज द ग्रेटर वैल्यू इन दिस? वेरी गुड. 145. एंड व्हाट इज द साइन विद 145? नेगेटिव. 145 के साथ साइन कौन सा है? Negative. So we will write negative sign. Fine. We will write negative sign. Is it clear, class? Minus 130 is your answer. Okay. So this is all. You have to solve question number 7 on your notebooks. If you find any difficulty related to order of operations, so you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.